Two worlds. One mission, speed. On one side, the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolut 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8, over 1,600 horsepower, engineered to chase world record top speed. Pure combustion perfection. No limits, no silence. On the other, the Rimac Nevera, 1,914 horsepower, instant torque, 4 electric motors. A machine that shatters 0 to 60 records, 1.74 seconds flat. Jesko hunts the horizon. Nevera bends time itself. Gasoline or electrons, the race for the future of speed has begun. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the channel.